Every order you're about to see is real, placed by software I wrote, from a chart signal to a field options contract at the broker, with no human touching anything. This is the story of how I got this project and how I shipped every single feature of it. I'm Jaydev Rana. I'm a full stack engineer and an algorithmic trading developer. And this is a deep look at the most complete trading automation I've delivered, a trading view to TradeStation options bot, running in production on a cloud server, trading 0 DTE options with a full risk engine around every position. So, how did I get this project? The client posted a job. He wanted his trading view strategies to trade options on TradeStation automatically. Signals fire all day. He couldn't sit there clicking. Most freelancers sent him promises. I sent him a working prototype with a video of real orders, feeling that's how I work. Proof first, word second. I won the contract that week. And this wasn't a small ask. The contract had 19 numbered feature sections: TradingView and TradeStation integration, smart order types with mid-price fills, automatic option selection, position sizing, trading schedules, retry logic, a complete risk management engine, account exposure cap, daily loss limits, multi-strategy support, Telegram alerts and commands, a verification voucher, a live dashboard, a full audit grade trade log, and every parameter configurable without touching code. I delivered all of it. Let me show you first proof it's real. This is the TradeStation order blotter during a live session. Microsoft, Apple, Google, Nvidia, QQQ. Market entries filled in about a second, and right behind each one, limit targets and stop orders placed automatically by the bot. And here's the other side: TradingView firing the strategy alerts. Look at the log: webhooks successfully delivered over and over. Each one of those green ticks became an order you just saw in the blotter. Side by side, you can watch the whole loop. A signal fires on the chart, the webhook leaves TradingView, and the order appears at the broker. Signal to fill around 100 milliseconds. That is the machine we're going to open up. Let's start with the dashboard, the client's window into everything the bot does. It runs on the server behind a login secured with a session, so only the owner sees it. I'll sign in and take you through it. At the top, the heartbeat, which environment we're in, simulation or live. The account, the equity, whether trading is currently halted. One glance, and the client knows the bot's exact state. Open positions, each row is a live options position, the contract, quantity, entry, current price, and PNL. And this column matters: bracket protection. It shows the broker side safety order resting at the exchange for every position. If my server died right now, the exit still exists at the broker. Nothing is ever unprotected. The last signal panel shows exactly what TradingView sent: action, symbol, strategy, and when below it, the event feed, every decision the bot makes, timestamped. Entries, exits, trims, rejections, halts, total transparency, closed trades. This is the part clients love. Every completed trade with its real profit and loss, computed from actual broker fills, never estimated. Win, loss, hold time, exit reason. Was it a take profit, a trailing stop, a manual exit? The live cache panel shows the bot's hot data. For each symbol, it trades the current at the money call, and put are already selected, quoted, and ready. This is why entries are fast. When a signal arrives, the bot already knows exactly which contract to buy. The watcher, Every few seconds, the bot compares its own records against the broker's record. If a position exists at the broker that the bot doesn't know about or quantities drift, it flags it immediately. The bot literally audits itself. And the active configuration, the exact risk numbers, sizing, and schedule currently loaded. Everything lives in one config file, and the client can hot reload it without restarting. There is also a one click CSV export of the entire trade log, a complete audit trail for record keeping. Now, my favorite part of the build, the client asked, how do I trust the exit logic? So I built him a visualizer, a public educational page where every protection feature runs as an animated simulation. And here's the key, it executes the exact same trigger code the bot runs live. This is not a mock up, it's the real logic tick by scenario 1, the stop loss. The position opens, price falls, and the moment the premium crosses the stop threshold, the bot market closes it. Watch the log on the right fill in as each rule triggers the same lines the real bot writes. Trim and break even. Price moves up, and at the first profit target, the bot sells a portion, locking real dollars. And then it moves the stop to break even. From this moment, the trade cannot lose money. That's the discipline most human traders never keep. The trailing stop, once the position is up enough, a trail activates and follows the peak. Price keeps climbing, the trail climbs with it. And when price finally rolls over, the bot exits near the top, capturing the run without giving it all back. Take profit, the clean one. Price hits the target, the position closes, the profit books. And daily trailing dollars, this one protects the whole day. Once the day's total profit hits a peak and pulls back by a set amount, the bot flattens everything and logs the day green. And the final backstop, the daily loss limit. If the account's day P&L hits the maximum loss, the bot cancels every order, flattens every position, and halts itself until the next session. That halt survives restarts. It's stored in the database. A bad day gets capped. All right, let's open the hood. I'm going to walk you through the full architecture. Nothing hidden because this is where the real engineering lives. At the highest level, 4 stages, TradingView fires an alert. A fast API webhook server receives it. The bot engine decides and manages, and TradeStation's REST API executes. The bot is a single asynchronous Python process, but inside it, 6 background loops run concurrently. The market cache keeping codes and contracts hot. The risk monitor watching every open position. The order chaser working limit orders to a fill. The watcher reconciling against the broker. The telegram worker pushing alerts. And the scheduler enforcing trading hours. All supervised, all restart safe. Follow one signal through the pipeline. The webhook arrives, first gate the secret key. Wrong secret, reject. Second gate idempotency, trading view sometimes sends alerts, so duplicates are dropped. Third gate, the schedule outside trading hours, no entry. Fourth gate, exposure, if open positions already use too much of the account, the entry is blocked. Then selection, for a buy signal, the bot picks a call, for a sell, a put. It queries the expiration chain 0DT if available, next day otherwise, and snaps to the at the money strike from the live strike chain. SPX gets special handling, the weekly SPXW route. Then sizing dollars or percent of equity computed off the ask price. So a wide spread can never oversize the position. The order goes out market or a limit at mid bid or ask, rounded to the option's real tick size. If a limit doesn't fill, the chaser takes over, reprice, retry, walk it toward the market until it fills or times out. The moment the entry fills, the bracket module attaches the broker side protection. And this exit design is the part I'm most proud of. Three modes. Monitor: the bot manages exits itself. Bracket: a full OCO rest at the broker. And hybrid: the default, the best of both. The bot runs the smart exits, trailing trims, break even, while a deeper stop market backstop rests at the exchange. If my server catches fire mid trade, the backstop still executes. The client is never naked. The risk engine polls every position on a tight loop against live premiums. Stop loss, partial trims at profit targets, break even move, trailing stop, take profit, the daily loss kill switch, and max losing trades per day. Exits are debounced over multiple ticks, and quotes with absurd spreads are ignored, so one bad print can't fire a phantom exit. Everything is recorded. A SQLite store holds positions, halts, and the day baseline. So a restart never forgets a tripped kill switch. The trade log captures every field the contract demanded: signal score, buy reason, fill prices, exit reason, exportable as CSV. And the watcher closes the loop, comparing bot state to broker state and alerting on any drift. Deployment is production grade. On Ubuntu server, the bot under systemd with auto restart, caddy in front as the reverse proxy, secrets isolated in an environment file, and a hard environment gate. The code refuses to place live orders unless it's explicitly switched from simulation to live. Plus a panic button, one call flattens everything and halts the day. 19 contract sections. Everyone delivered, unit tested, documented, and handed over with a full operations runbook, deploy scripts, troubleshooting guide, and telegram controls the client can drive from his phone. From the first prototype video to the production handover, this is what a complete delivery looks like. I am Jaydev Rana. I build trading automation end to end, TradingView, MetaTrader, any broker with an API, with the risk engineering that keeps real money safe. If you've got a strategy that needs to run without you, let's talk. Thanks for watching.